Welcome to the channel. Today we'll determine whether what is a verb or not. You know that a single word in different positions of a sentence can function as different parts of speech, right? So can you tell me what is verb? Okay, let me tell you what is verb. Look at this sentence here. Verbs are the action words in a sentence, right? A verb describes what the subject is doing in a sentence, right? So let me give you an example. I run. The task of running is done by I, right? Here, run is uh, a verb and I is a subject. Okay, so let me prove that what is not a verb, right? So, is what a verb? The answer is big no. No, what is not a verb, but what can be used as different parts of speech. So, what are they? You should know. So, let me tell you that. Okay, look at this example. You want a book, right? You want a book. So, here noun is a book. But if you make a question like this, what do you want? Here subject, you verb this. And what is the subject uh, of the verb want, right? So what is actually indicate a noun? So what is here? A pronoun. You know that a pronoun can replace a noun or indicate a noun. So the parts of piece of what is here is a pronoun. So let me take another example so that you can understand uh, more about what. Okay, you know that the structure of noun phrase is determiner plus noun, right? You know that determiner can specify or introduce a noun. What time, right? What time? Here, what is a determiner, right? What is a determiner and time is a noun. Actually, what is specifying the noun time, right? So that's why what is a determiner. You know that all the determiners are special kind of adjectives, right? What time are they doing? What time are they leaving? Right? They are leaving what time? However, let me take another example so that you can understand more. Okay, look at here. What a horrible smell. We know that the structure of noun phrase is determiner plus adjective plus noun. We know that there are some determiners that comes before determiner. We know that article are determiners, right? Articles are determiners. So here what has come before the determiner A. So here what is a predeterminer, right? Predeterminer are also uh, special kinds of adjective. Okay, let me take another example. Look at it. You can write sentence. Gives me he gives me a lecture on the words and house of crop rotation. Look at here the words, right? We know that the structure of noun phrase is determiner plus noun. So here the is a determiner and words is a noun. The big news is that we can use what as a noun, right? So what we are getting? We are getting what as a noun, as a pronoun, as a determiner or predeterminer, determiner or predeterminer, which is adjective, right? So these are the parts of piece of what. I have a special blog post. You can read that blog post from the description box of this video. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.